Today we are discuss about critical path method CPM. Critical path method, a project scheduling as following character. It is example program. First one is the given activities. Activity is 1 to 2, activity 1 to 3, and activity 2 to 4, and activity 3 to 4, and activity 3 to 5, activity 4 to 9, activity 5 to 6, activity 5 to 7, activity 6 to 8, 7 to 8, 8 to 10, 9 to 10, and each activity they are given some timing completion of each activity. 1 2 activity should be completion time will be 4, and 1 3 is 1, 2 4 is 1, 3 4 is 1, 3 5 is 6, 4 9 is 5, 5 6 is 4, 5 7 is 8, 6 8 is 1, 7 8 is 2, 8 10 is 5, 9 10 is 7. To following this prior scheduling, we should construct the network by using this activity and time, and we should find out compute the EST, means ELS starting time of this activity, and latest finishing time of activity, and longest path, and a total project duration. This is a critical path. We should find out the critical path CPM, critical path and total project duration. To draw the network diagram, first one is the activity 1 to 2. The activity will be starting node is 1 and completion will be 2. So we draw 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 the duration will be 4, and next the activity will be 1 by 3. The starting point is 1, ending point will be 3. So we draw 1 by 3 and direct arrow, and activity third one is 2 to 4. 2 to 4 means the activity's value will be 1, and 3 to 4 the value will be 1, and 3 to 5 the value will be 6, and 3 to 5, and next one is 4 to 9. The activity will be 4 to 9 is value will be 5, and 5 to 6 here 5 they have here in this question 2 starting point of 5, here 2 different ending point. So here we have to be carefully draw. 5 to 6 the value will be 4, and 5 to 7 the value will be 8. After that we should draw 6 to 8. 6 to 8 they have here we have two same destination value 8 activity, and 2 different starting point 6 to 8, 7 to 8. We draw 6 to 8, this timing value will be 1, and 7 to 8 this timing value will be 2, and finally we have 2 one destination value, 2 different source value. This same value will be 10. So we can draw network 8 to 10 with the value of 5, and 9 to 10 with the value of 7. This is a first step. We should construct the network. After that we consider the network. After that we have compute the ELS starting time. What is a project ELS starting time? What is a project ELS finishing time? What is a project latest starting time? And what is a project latest finishing time? And LP, longest path is CPM, critical path method, and we should find out the total project duration. Here is the 4 possible network diagram starting to ending. Here 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 9, 1 and 9 to 10. The value will be 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7. 7, it is a one possible way. And 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 9, 9 to 10. This is another possible way. And 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 10. This is another one possible way. and here 1 to 3, 5 to 6, 8 to 10. This is another one possible way. This is for we are declare this is possible, but with the help of procedure and rules only we can solve this network diagram. With the help of EST and LST, we should find out the CPM. We should find out the ELS starting time. How we have to find out the ELS start? With the help of network diagram. Here ELS starting time, always the initial level of ES1 equal to EST equal to ELS starting time will be ES1 equal to 0. This is ES1 equal to 0, and we go to ES2. We go to here 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means before that the completion of 1 we can go to 1 to 2. Activity 1 to 2. So ES2 means ES1 plus duration of 1 to. ES1 value already we know about 0, and ES21 value will be 4. So here we mentioned the value will be 4. Similarly, we have to find out the ES3. ES3 means 1 to 3. Starting point is 1 and D13 is 1. 0 plus 1, the value will be 1. Okay. And next we find out the ES4. ELS is starting time for this activity. This activity means before we are going to 4, we can complete 2. Before going to before that 1. So there are two possibilities there to reach a 4. 1 to 2 and then 4, and 1 to 3 and then 4. This situation in to find out the EST, we should take maximized value. Okay, how we have take maximum? Before ES4 means we can take ES2 plus D12, maximize of, this is a formula, maximize of ES2 plus D2, comma ES3 plus D3. What is the value of ES2? We already find out 4 plus duration value will be 1. Here what is the value of ES3 means 1 plus 1, 2. 5 comma 2. The value will be 5 comma 2. What is the maximized value? 5. Then this value should be assigned for ES4. It should be formula. Okay. Next we should find out the ES5. It is only for one direction. So directly you should be go through ES3. ES5 equal to ES3 plus 3,5. ES3 plus 3,5 value, ES3 value will be 1 plus 6, ES5 equal to 7. Similarly, ES6 equal to 11 and ES7 equal to ES5 plus D5, 7 plus 8 equal to 15. And again ES8. ES8 means in a network diagram 8 should be go through, there is a two possible way. It is for 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, otherwise 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. So here same destination, two different sources. So we find out the maximize of ES7 plus D78 or max comma ES6 plus 68. What is the value of ES6 plus 11 plus 1 and 15 plus 2? The maximized value will be 17. So ES8 value will be considered as 17. And next in 9, it is only possible one possible, ES4 plus D4 9, 5 plus 5 10. Okay, ES10 again there is a two possible way of approaches. Here ES10 equal to, it comes under 8 to 10 or 9 to 10. So here we have to calculate maximize of ES8 plus D810 comma ES9 plus D910. So value should be 17 plus 5, 10 plus 7. The maximum values will be 22. This is called earliest starting time, project length, durations. This is a EST, value will be 22. Right now we have to find out the LST, latest starting time. So we are find out the latest starting time is here LS10. What is a? It's EST we have to be following the forward method, and LST we are followed the backward method. In operation research, there are two techniques we have to use only for forward method. EST we can use the forward method. LST we are using a backward method. Here EST starting value will be 0 and LST starting value will be what we have find out in EST last value, that is a LST starting value. Here LST 10 equal to the value will be 22 and LS 9 equal to, we should backward, LS 10 minus 9 minus 10, LS 10 minus D 9 10. LS 10 value is 22 minus 7, LS 9 equal to 15. LS 9 equal to 15. Similarly, we have to go through LS 8 equal to LS 10 minus D 8. The value will be 22 minus 5, 17. And LS 7, the value will be LS 8 minus D 8, 17 minus 2, 50. And the value will be 6 will be LS 8 equal to D 6 8, 17 minus 16. And LS 5. LS 5 means in a network construction diagram, 5 should be comes in two way. We can comes in through the 7 back and 6. So here we have to be find out the LST minimization of the value. Minimization of the value should be minimization of LS7 minus D57, comma LS6 minus D56. What is the value of LS7? 15 minus 8, 7, 16 minus 4, 12. We should find out only for backward method LST we should find out maximize minimum value. In EST we should find out maximize value. Here LS4 equal to LS9 minus D49 equal to 15 minus 5, 10. LS3 also they have some two possible way. It comes under 4 and it comes under 5. Go through this network diagram. 3 should be comes under 4 and comes under 5. Again we should take the minimization of LS4 minus D3, LS5 minus D35, 10 minus 1 the value will be 9, 7 minus 1 value will be 1, the minimum value should be 1, it is LS3 value should be, LS3 value will be 1, and LS2, it will be LS2 minus D2, 10 minus 1 9, again LS1 we should find out two possible way, 1 it should comes under 2 in 1, 3 plus 1, so we have to be find out the minimization value 9 minus 4, comma 1 minus 1, minimum of value will be 0. Okay, so comparing this we should substitute the each and every value in a network diagram. This is all value should be EST value. Okay, in upper corner we have to mention each and every value and we can find out the critical path method. Find out the EST and LST, we should substitute. The upper value will be EST value and bottom value will be EST value and upper value will be LST value. Here 2, 4, 9, comma, there are different values. By using to find out the critical path method, we should have a same EST value and LST value. Here the same 0, 0, 0, 0 by 0 and 1 by 1 and 7 by 7 and 15 by 15 and 17 by 17 and 18 by 17 by 17 and 22 by 2. This is the same value in appear in EST and LST. The same value will be appear, though this is a critical path method. The critical path method will be 1 by 3, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 10. The value will be CPM is 22. The total critical path method 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 10. The total project duration length is 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5. Total value should be project length is 22. Here we should find out the constructor network, compute the EST and LST, and to find out the critical path method, and we find out here total project duration of the CPM. Thank you.